Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, as well as Google Assistant maps, tonneau covers, Z71 package, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black interior with paneling and storage on the bottom next to speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a wooden chrome accent. Black running boards here. And this 40/20 40 bench split seat. Heated. Turn off the fans here. Left side will be your vents with your drive mode selector, 2 and 4 wheel and lighting control. Left side is steering wheel, be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So let's push to start. Classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and access to Amazon Alexa and My Chevrolet. Down below, you're going to have lane keep assist and your auto stop, as well as right next to your integrated brake controller is your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports on the side. Center console here, lots of extra storage in there. Put it up. More storage right there. Just get it back down, find the tab, goes right back down. Passenger side, same finish, but mainly adjustable, heated as well. Wooden chrome all the way across, and the speakers vents up top. And here you access the reading lamps and your OnStart SOS. So you're gonna have these black 17-inch wheels on Bridgestone dealer all-terrain tires. You got the black Z71 badging, chromed mirror caps, and the keyless entry door handles. Tinted glass, and you got the black badging with the in-tooth tonneau cover, corner step bumper. And in the back, you got your 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port with around 12 vent tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, get more paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power window with the wooden chrome. On the back, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear vents, USB ports, and an AC wall charger there. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats, storage under, with lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as heated bucket seats, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, in-tooth tonneau cover, Google Assistant and Maps, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.